A new login security feature has been added to AMS. Once the AMS program is open, a screen will now prompt users to input a login ID and password. The login ID is determined by the appointed administrator. The administrator can give users certain permissions to AMS-TAC. For example, users can have permissions that allow them only to view records or to be able to add, edit, or delete only. Once the program is installed, it is recommended to initially log in as an administrator. To do this, enter the admin's user login and password. Once logged in, the admin can now assign user logins and add permissions to the users. To do this, select System, Edit User. Once the user maintenance screen is displayed, you may access and edit the 4 main sections. The first section displays all of the users that are available in the database. You can view the user's first name, last name, or view if the user has either admin, active, or hazmat permissions. Next is the user information section. This is where you may edit the user's first or last name and change whether a user has admin, active, or hazmat permissions. It is not required to give a user any of these permissions. Also, it is recommended that you create a new user or admin with a unique password. You can select the Password Requirements button to view the password rules. A password must be 15 to 25 characters and consist of the following: at least 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, 1 number, and 1 special character. Once you have changed and confirmed your password, click Save. In the Access Permissions section, the admin can add users and then copy permissions from existing users. Click the drop-down arrow to view all available users. Select a user and click on the Copy Permissions From button. The admin can give users permission to certain functions within AMS-TAC by checking the appropriate boxes. You can click on the plus sign next to a menu to expand the menu options. You can choose a function and give users permission to add, edit, delete, or view, or give the user full control by checking all of the boxes. If you don't want a user to have permissions for any of these options, then check None. From this screen, you can also unlock accounts, add users, or print a report of all available users. Once finished, click Save and then Exit to return to the main screen. From here, you can log out of AMS as an admin and log in as a regular user. To do this, select System, Logout. Enter the user's login ID and password and then select the Login button. As a regular user, you can edit your first and last name and change your password. Select System, Edit User. Your information will be displayed. To make changes, simply select the field and update your information. If you need to change your password, enter the new password in the Change Password field and then confirm it in the field below. Note that you cannot change your login ID or your permissions. This must be done by your AMS administrator. Once your changes are complete, select Save. When you have finished using AMS, select System Logout to log out of AMS and allow the next user to log in.